Hello everybody, welcome back to Making It Up. I'm Isa and today I am doing a really fun video. I'm doing a one brand tutorial. I love this. It's not a new idea at all. There's a lot of people that do this, but this is my first time and I am really excited. So the brand that I chose for today's video is Too Faced. I have quite a few things from Too Faced and especially their eyeshadow palettes. I have a collection of them and I love them, and I just wanted to, pay homage. Is that like a fancy word that I don't know what it means, but I just wanted to like do this because I love Too Faced and I love their products and I just wanted to douse myself in them, okay? So anyways, I used mostly Too Faced. There were a few things that I didn't have, but for the most part it was Too Faced. Too Faced is awesome. How many times did I say Too Faced in this video? Oh my god. So yeah, if you want to know how I achieved this look on my face right now, then just make sure to keep watching. So to start off, I am going to be using my Too Faced Just Peachy Mattes palette. Honestly, I have quite a few Too Faced palettes, so it was a little bit hard to choose, but I just really had a look in mind with these colors, so I think that's why I'm going with this. I love how it smells. Too Faced makes amazing shadows. So to start off, I'm gonna use Peach Meringue, this color right here, with a fluffy brush, and I'm just gonna apply this all over my lids and up to my crease to set my primer. Now for my transition shade, I'm gonna go in with Peaches and Cream, which is this beautiful peachy color right here. And to add a bit more brightness, I'm going to go in with Just Peachy right here. And I'm going to be applying this also as sort of my transition shade, but a little bit lower, so like a crease color, but not quite. Does that make sense? Yes! And honestly, this look is really simple. The only thing you need is a lot of patience and a lot of blending. So now I'm going in with Peach Sangria, which is this beautiful burgundy color right here. And I'm going to be applying this all over my crease with a packing brush, and then I'm going to be fading it out onto the other two colors. Be patient, this takes a little bit of time, and you can pack and blend as much as you need to till you get your desired effect. My transition shades, I'm going to use Peaches and Cream and Just Peachy, which is this one right here. These two, I apply them on the upper lash line, and I'm just going to run this along my lower lash line to create a transition shade as well. And then I'm going to go back in with Peach Sangria, which is this color right here, and I am going to run it, I'm going to run it all over my lower lash line, really close to the actual lashes. And since I don't have an eyeliner that is this color from Too Faced, then I'm just going to use the same shadow and I'm going to apply this, just like stamp it onto my waterline to add the effect of the color without actually having liner. And now I want to add a little bit more to this look, so I'm gonna go in with my Too Faced sketch marker in Papaya Peach, this beautiful color right here. I just love it so freaking much. And I'm gonna apply it a little bit to the inner corners of the lower lash line. Hopefully this works out pretty. I don't know. So I'm just gonna apply this on like the innermost corner of the eye. I don't know how to explain it. Just look at what I'm doing. Hopefully it turns out cute. If it doesn't, then we'll roll with it. Okay. Yeah, I dig. I like this. It's like really subtle, but I am digging it. So yeah, you don't need to do this step if you don't want to. I just wanted to add a little something more, and yeah. And now last but not least, it is time for mascara. You guys know what's coming. Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. I love this. It flakes on me, but I really love how it makes my lashes look. It really does make them look amazing, and I really enjoy this. I hadn't used this mascara in a while, and I'd forgotten how much I absolutely adore it. It's beautiful. It is beautiful. So if you guys want to, obviously you can add falsies, falsy lashes. I don't even know what I was going to say there, but as always, feel free to do whatever you want with this look. But now it is time to move on to the face. So we'll zoom you out and then we'll do the face. Okay, so for the face, I didn't really have a Too Faced foundation, so I did my own foundation. I used Fenty. But I do have the Born This Way concealer in light. This concealer is one of my absolute favorites. It's incredible. It makes me look and feel so healthy, so I'm just going to highlight and conceal with this. It's so messy because I use it all the freaking time, so... Okay, since I also don't have a Too Faced setting powder, honestly guys, I don't have a lot of things from Too Faced, so if you guys have any recommendations on like good setting powders or eyeshadow primers or brow products or foundations from Too Faced, I know the Born This Way is really good, let me know in the comment section, but for now I'm just gonna use my Cover FX powder, and I'll be right back for the rest of the face. Okay, so now that we're set, it is time to move on to bronzer. I used to have my Chocolate Soleil bronzer by Too Faced. Obviously, this is a Too Faced tutorial, but I used that up so quickly. I loved it, and I haven't repurchased it because I found other bronzers that I liked as well. But today, I am here with my beautiful, beautiful Sweet Peach Glow palette. You guys have heard a lot about this. I love it. So I'm just going to use the bronzer right here, and then I'm going to use the highlighter as well. And now I'm going to use this highlight on the high points of my face and also on the inner corners of my eyes to add a little bit more boom to my look. Ooh, I love this. Okay, and now for blush, I'm going to be using the Love Hangover Love Flush blush. It looks like this. I really love this. I love the color, and I've dented it a bit, so we're going in with that now if I can find my cheek brush anywhere. I normally don't wear blush, but today I felt like it, so. Okay, and after doing blush, the only thing that's left to do is the lips, and for that, I have a melted lips thing, liquid lipstick, but I've talked about it a lot and it doesn't really go with this look. So I'm gonna go in with my lip injection in Spice Girl. This is a real deal, guys. Oh my god, if you need a lip plumper that works and that'll make your lips plump, this is it. It hurts like a mofo, but it works really well. So I'm just gonna line my lips and then I'm gonna put this on. Okay, and after the lips, then the look is complete. And there you have it, guys. That is the look. I really enjoy all of these products, and as I said before, I know this isn't like completely full-faced, only two-faced, but if you guys have any recommendations or what I should try, definitely let me know. And yes, thank you all so much for watching. Let me know if you recreate this look. Let me know if you enjoyed the video by giving it a thumbs up. Gives me feedback, and if there's anything you guys want to see me do that I haven't done yet, then make sure to leave it in the comment section. I would love to know. And don't forget to follow me on my Instagram and on my blog. The link is always in the description bar so that you can continue watching my content. I post daily on my Instagram and once a week on my blog. So yeah, if you guys are into that, then definitely make sure to check them out. Links are down below. And yeah, anyways, thank you all so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. I really did. And I will definitely see you next week. Bye!